what's your advice for let's pretend I'm a photographer here and I'm way behind you. Just started my business, got some sessions underneath my belt, starting to make a little bit of money, but it's cutting into my time. Elaine's telling me, hey, you need to be home more. You're always out, doing photography and we want you here. How do I set myself apart when I'm not Katie Lamb?
Yeah. So it starts with being super intentional from the very beginning. Like start today, being very intentional. And four different categories is really where I see it. Your branding. So you want to set yourself apart in your branding because it really, in so many businesses, so many people just do it the same way. They brand everything the same way just because that's how everybody else is doing it. Really try to set yourself apart. To me, that's a smaller way, but it's still important. And then your marketing message is crucial for this. So I find so many businesses, especially photographers and creatives, that they center their marketing message around them, right? Like if you go to their website, so much of it is about them. I love taking pictures. Me, right? And that's not the way to market your business. One of my absolute favorite business books is so it's right in front of me, Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller.
Yes.
And that really changed the way.
You're not the hero as the business owner. You're just the guide.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. You are the guide. They are the hero. And if you can change your marketing to be that and find their pain points and put yourselves in their shoes. What is your client's pain point when they're trying to search out a photographer, and how can you solve that pain point and really change your marketing message to be for them, not about you, because that will really make a huge difference there.
Yes.
And then for photographers, and this kind of applies to a lot of things too, but narrowing down your offerings, stop being mediocre at so many things and be the best at one thing, right?